Ki Pulit ka Ribhoy district mentasngi ka khandai tarik Risau ki la beteng biang bantalasi ki kali bapin Kenya an na ka benta ka jingshingan ka surok pa kamtam na ka benta ki pa ba nong det nong wan ki baju penon kam ya ka surok pa. Hakani ka jingtalasi layalam da UVS Rathor Senior Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoy Ryngkat ba additional SP o Masar in charge jong katanat traffic lawan bani don langru da Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy Wabilash Baranwal District Transport Officer uba Ai Kharmon AR Marak MCS bat kiwe. Hakani ka jingtalasi ki Pulit ka Ribhoy ki labeteng ban khandra na phang ya ki kali ha ka babon ki lalap badang don ki papin Kenya ki kendon an bat ki bayat bahe Ryngkat ki Siren klem da don ki officer lani ki he ki han bat na kaliang ki Pulit ki lalawi ki Siren bat dan Kuna ru yakum kini ki breu ki bayale ban shim kabu. Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy Wabilash Baranwal habakrench kilat pathai Khubor ulong bukum ukli du ubapet ya ka district udon ya ka jing sngo khia halor ka jing nang bon ki jingja accident ha ki surok ba ki berei tang na ka daw ka jing buat ki nong nya kali bat ka jing nya klem akor Pada halor kini ka bentau ulong bo umla ban shushong ha shuki office ban shusngap ndrei ka pelong yu ban mi lang ban pentikana biki surok ba ki long ki pasingan Mana kaliang USP ka Ribhoy ula pentip pa ya kini ka jing khandrai ki kali la pelong ha kaleng ki surok chong ka Ribhoy ki bakentup na du ko umyam ko umsning kanong po bernihat bat kiwe ki jaka.
लाइट ऑन करो ऑन करो ऑन करो वीआईपी लाइट साइरेन আপনার ভিআইপি আচ্ছা আপনি কি হ্যাঁ পলিউশন কন্ট্রোল বোর্ড অফিশিয়াল আইডি কোন দেখো অপশন হলো সাইরেন মারিছ না সাইরেন মারো শুনে একবার মারো और
You take alcohol on the way?
Sir, at morning.
Morning time?
Yes, sir.
ये द वन सिक्स ये है ना पूरा लाइटनिंग इसको फाइन करना है अभी ना इसको फाइन करना है जी बोले ये ना वन फाइन हाँ और ये रे इससे और अच्छा है हाँ लो लाइट को लो ब्रेक द लाइट आ जाओ साइड करो पूरा लाइट करो हाँ आगे का जो लाइट लगाए ना सब करो अच्छा दारू भी है बोला उधर से जाइए उधर से दिखाओ दिखाओ दारू दिखाओ
कुछ माल लेना क्या
ये
लेके आया
कौन भी कौन है लिया
निकल ये भी
हाँ सर
उधर देखो रो
ये होगा अभी बस इससे ज़्यादा है ना क्या चलो भैया सब निकालिए
और दो
चलो भैया सब निकालिए
और दो
Police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, I mean, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, I mean, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives. So what we are observing is that the violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.
Jong ka DTO ngi betas ngi la ya dan lang bati badi SP badi DC mencek igi driver ki bomdan license bati kali ki ba bu ki batait yong ki bomdeng seat belt ki bomdeng helmet ngi la ya cek lot ya kata ngin nang ni sakmat ngin nang cek man la ki por but ai kuble kam tam e baro baki la ya tre lang Ryngkat ban cek igi ni ki violation ba niki kali banyak kali sangat kerja department jongi ngin ai check man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini kisni bun haki accident kija layap ki bril bun ba yap accident ni nak kata kada ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking
सर नंबर पर तो
jingsang nakalia ko office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test tang ba ya kani ban nya damit te ngim jingsang ngim ju le hi ban test ban nya kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ngi ya pen mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mendai ban pen me ki high beam por nya kali damit nang ba tu bawan nakawi ka site katabak mat nyui ba bun sin din nakata daw sa jaga accident me jingsha akitui ki ba apply license bakin one hida ladi mni ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya bet ka kam jongki
Tete kapor kan no thai kan chim na ragi wan hin mar ki slam pan
em jingsha ya kalanas license kan support at least si banai then hadin si banai de kila nang banya kila nang ban nadong sadong tengi sa ai license hadin si banai
day before yesterday also you guys were here, so there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one time affair, it should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that, our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkhama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi, same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message: don't violate the rules, because life is more important than anything else. So that is the whole thing. Thank you.